In this video, we're going to show you how to wipe down doorknobs, doors, and light switches. We're going to start with doors and doorknobs so that hopefully your doors will go from looking like this, with dirt and grime all over, to this in no time. You're going to start off by getting your supplies. For this video, we're going to be using disinfectant spray and paper towel, but you can also use things like Clorox wipes or other disinfectant wipes. If there's anything in the way or anything on the door like decorations, go ahead and remove those. Next, you're going to spray the paper towel and then start wiping down the doorknob. You should wipe down the doorknob on both sides of the door. When you're done wiping down the doorknobs, you may need some more spray, but begin by wiping down the door anywhere where somebody's hands or foot may touch. Once you're done wiping the door and doorknob, if there was any decorations on the door, put those back. Now you can throw away the paper towel. And before you're all done, make sure to put away all of the cleaning supplies. For cleaning light switches, you're going to need to get your supplies. We'll be using the same supplies as usual, spray and paper towel. Make sure not to spray the light switches directly. That's a bit dramatic, but it's best to spray the paper towel instead of spraying the light switch itself. Once you spray the paper towel, start by wiping all around the light switch. Once you've wiped the entire light switch plate, you can start wiping down the light switch itself. Once you've completed all the light switches, throw away your paper towel. When you're all done, make sure to put all of your supplies away. Okay, now you should know how to wipe down doorknobs, doors, and light switches. Now it's your turn to give it a try.